Have you ever wondered how some people make thousands with NFTs, while others get caught in scams and lose everything? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spot valuable NFTs and, most importantly, how to avoid NFT scams. Stick around till the end because these tips could save you a lot of money. But first, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crypto update. If you're excited to learn, give this video a like and drop a comment below. Part 1. What makes an NFT valuable? Let's begin by understanding what makes an NFT valuable. When you're evaluating an NFT, there are a few key factors to consider. 1. The creator or artist. Who made the NFT? Is the artist or creator well known, or do they have a strong following? Just like in traditional art, reputation matters. For example, NFTs by famous artists or influencers like Beeple or Grimes can be worth a lot more. 2. Scarcity and rarity. How many copies of the NFT exist? Some NFTs are part of limited collections, which increases their scarcity. The rarer an NFT, the more potential it has to grow in value. 3. Utility and functionality. Does the NFT serve any purpose beyond being a digital collectible? Some NFTs provide access to exclusive content, memberships, or even future earnings through royalties. NFTs with real-world applications are usually more valuable. 4. Community and hype. How strong is the community behind the project? Check their Twitter, Discord, or other social channels. If there's active engagement and a loyal following, it can be a sign the project has growth potential. Part 2. How to spot NFT scams. Alright, now let's get to the part that no one wants to experience. NFT scams. Unfortunately, scams are common in the crypto space, but here's how you can avoid falling into the trap. 1. Check the project's white paper. Legitimate NFT projects will have a detailed white paper explaining what the project is about, the team behind it, and their long-term vision. If there's no white paper or it seems poorly written, red flag. 2. Verify the team. Always research the people behind the project. Do they have a credible background? Are their profiles on LinkedIn or Twitter legitimate? Anonymous teams with no track record can be a major warning sign. 3. Watch out for fake NFTs. Always buy NFTs from reputable marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Scammers often create fake collections mimicking famous ones. Look for verified badges and always double-check the contract address. 4. Be cautious with hype-driven projects. If something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Beware of projects that promise guaranteed returns or seem to generate hype out of nowhere. Scammers rely on FOMO, fear of missing out, to lure people in. Example: remember the Evolved Apes rug pull scam? The anonymous creator disappeared with millions in investors' money. Always do thorough research before investing. Part 3. How to analyze an NFT before buying. So now that you know the dangers, let's talk about how to properly analyze an NFT before you buy it. 1. Review the project's roadmap. A clear, actionable roadmap can give you insights into the project's future. If a project has a strong plan for growth, partnerships, or development, it's likely to gain value over time. 2. Look at transaction history. Check the history of the NFT's sales. Are prices rising steadily, or is it a quick pump and dump? Consistent growth is usually a good sign. 3. Gas fees and transaction costs. Always factor in the gas fees. Some NFTs might have a great price, but you could end up paying a ton in transaction fees, especially on Ethereum. Consider using other chains like Polygon or Solana to save on gas fees. Are you learning something new today? If so, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and NFT insights. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite NFT collection so far? Part 4. Additional tips to stay safe in the NFT space. Here are some final tips to help you stay safe in the NFT world and maximize your chances of finding valuable projects. 1. Join NFT communities. Being part of active communities can give you the inside scoop on upcoming projects and trends. Plus, you can get advice from experienced NFT investors. 2. Don't overextend your budget. Always remember that the NFT market can be volatile, just like the crypto market. Only invest what you're willing to lose. 3. Use cold storage. If you've made a significant NFT purchase, consider storing your NFTs in a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. This will keep them safe from hacks or phishing scams. 4. Stay updated. Follow industry news and trends to stay on top of the latest developments in the NFT space. Things move quickly, and being well-informed is key to avoiding scams and making smart investments. And that's your guide to identifying valuable NFTs and staying safe in the world of digital collectibles. With these tips, you'll be able to navigate the NFT space confidently and avoid falling for scams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment with any questions you might have. Let's keep learning and growing in this exciting new space.